It's a long road to greatness, but I ain't afraid to face it, 'cause I know I'm gonna make it. Put me in the fire, said I'd disappear, but I walked through the flames and I'm standing here. I do it for the fame, and nothing's gonna stand in my way. Nothing's gonna stand in my way. Tell the world to remember my name. It's the noise and the fashion, whatever gets a reaction, anything to make it happen. Everybody talking about what's wrong and right, and all I know is the chase, and I gotta fight. I do it for the fame, and nothing's gonna stand in my way. Yeah, I do it for the fame, and nothing's gonna stand in my way.
Such a great place to be today. So this is now the time to be who you really are. It's really a great honor and pleasure to be given the place of honor to welcome you all to this first grand ball of the Hacienda Solange. Ang Hacienda Solange ay 10 taon na. Okay? Parang kahapon lamang. Pero para rin kahapon lamang, kami nandito ng aking late husband. Somebody asked us to come and let's visit something, a place in Alfonso. I said, saan yun? Actually, we went to Barangay Itaas, Ilaya. Okay? And when what I saw was an absolute jungle. And I said, I love this. Oh, well. So, because of that, we started. 27 years ago, we started. Ang pangalan niya ay Savannah Solange. Gus de la Torre Gus Gayevsky. Hacienda Solange, and let us give a big hand to all the management, the staff, the guests, yung suppliers, and everybody, all the partners of the Hacienda Solange. Maraming po salamat sa inyong pagdalo, and welcome again.
We have been on a reset the past 2 years, so this is the best time to be who you want to be. Stop competing with anyone. Stop striving to be the best this, the best that. Just be your best self. When you are trying to be your best self, you exude joy, you exude sincerity, you exude authenticity, and there's nothing to compete with. And when you are not competing, that's when you shine most.
first thing that we tackled in Hashanda Salonge as new management was work environment. Work environment meaning safe, clean, free of politics, challenging, and fun.